Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Xiaomi 13T Pro into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use Yep.com. And you have to search something using your search engine. And now you can click here and go to settings and click on search engine option, and you can click on Yep.com in recently visited, and now you can click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.